Simple question. Is Poppy AI worth the investment? We'll give you a quick rundown on the most important things, starting off with ease of use. Poppy AI stands out for its remarkably intuitive and visual approach to workflow management, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer organizing ideas spatially rather than through traditional linear lists. By offering a drag and drop canvas that integrates diverse media such as YouTube videos, PDFs, and even voice notes, the platform allows users to synthesize complex information without the tedious process of switching between multiple tabs or applications. This all in one environment helps streamline the creative process as users can easily connect resources to AI powered chat windows to generate high quality, on brand content in a way that feels natural and fluid. Beyond its ease of organization, Poppy significantly lowers the barrier to entry for content creators and marketers by acting as a collaborative partner rather than just a simple tool. New users benefit from a guided, hands on onboarding process that helps them quickly tailor the AI to match their unique voice and brand identity. This personalized setup, combined with the ability to build and save repeatable workflows, empowers users to move from brainstorming to polished output with impressive speed and confidence. When it comes to effectiveness, Poppy AI is highly effective for content creators, marketers, and researchers who want to organize information and speed up content generation. By functioning as a visual mind map like workspace, it allows users to compile YouTube videos, PDFs, and website URLs into a single board and have the AI generate scripts or summaries based on them. What we liked: the visual approach. Not like ChatGPT or other LLMs, Poppy gives you that detective board like experience, which helps a lot of people with being more efficient and productive with their projects with a refreshing new take on AI integration. Templates. If you're having a hard time making your own workflow for your project, Poppy has a great collection of templates you can use and customize to match your brand and project. Simplicity. When you open a board, you are met with literally a blank canvas and a toolbar on the left-hand side that doesn't overwhelm especially beginners. Hovering your mouse lets you see what feature is what without the need to click it. What we didn't like: it takes a while. Once you've prompted something, especially when you try to connect or deal with something that needs the mind map feature, for example, generating what you need takes up a lot of time, making efficiency lag. Templates. As much as it's a huge help, it needs to be more ergonomic, especially for newer users. Scrolling down as much can be tiresome for people, and having a more organized UI would help a bunch. The AI interface needs improvement. It has options like create images, etc., that sometimes act up, that would force you to refresh or even start from scratch. That, plus having connections only on the left side, leaves the experience of connecting the dots lacking. Given what we've listed down, is Poppy AI worth the investment? We say yes, especially if you have the capacity to. It gives a refreshing new look and experience for teams working on various projects, may it be content creation, marketing campaigns, and the sort. So if you want to try out Poppy AI, click on the link in the description below to get a $25 discount on your plan.